My dear brother, take my blessings. I hope you are well. You have written to me that English appears to be very difficult to you. You find no interest in reading this subject. I want to give you some advices about the necessity of learning English. In our India, different provinces have different languages. At first, we shall learn our own mother tongue, but that is not enough. We should learn Hindi, our national language. But we must learn English when we shall take higher education or sit for competitive and all India basis examinations. Beside this, English is an international language. It is a communicative language. It is a communicative language of the whole world. So, you should learn English at any cost. No more today, more when we meet. With best wishes, your loving elder brother.